It's your girl Katura and welcome to Simply Me, and today I'm going to do two reviews. Both products are from Vanity Planet and it's going to be a, get ready to go to bed with me type mode. So firstly, I want to let you guys know, like, subscribe and comment to know when I'm going to do more videos like this or any other videos that I have coming up. And basically I try to bring videos that I know I want to watch and what I look for, and I want to go in depth with certain things because I know, like, my channel is about reviews, so if you want to buy something, you kind of want to know what you're buying before you buy it, how it works, etc, etc. That way you might not have to read the manual. Okay, once it gets to you after you watch my reviews, you don't have to read the manual and none of that stuff. So without further ado, I don't like to ramble. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I told you I got two products. The first product I will be reviewing is, it's like the facial cleanser, the whole, I think it's called Radia. So basically, okay, you get it in this box, okay, and then it comes in another box like this. Okay, and I saved everything because I wanted to, like, just show you guys everything, how you would get it presentation wise, all of that. So basically, when you get the box, I love the color of it. Okay, and it lets you know that it is 360 head rotation, dual speed, and you have 3 brush heads. And then they do a good job at showing you that on the box, and then in the back they tell you some more things, and then in the side it tells you. So basically what you have here is you have the silicone brush, which is for sensitive skin, you have the daily cleansing brush, which is just for everyday, and then you have the exfoliating brush, which they recommend that you use 2 to 3 times a day for a deeper clean, and it has firmer bristles. So I do like that they kind of explain it to you throughout. And then the box just, lets you know that it's shower friendly. You can take it on the go. No cords needed, that you'll need 2 AA batteries, that it's cruelty free. They tell you where it's made, what they stand for, and yeah, so I'll leave that for when you would like to get it. So the box slides out this way, but you'll be holding it like that. And then it comes in another box. So it's like box after box after box. So once you open this box here, you get this puppy. I believe that they have 2 colors, but you'll see the color. So basically it comes in this clear case right here, and then I like that it has the vent so that when you put it back in, if it's wet, it has time to breathe. It won't stink, any of that. So I do like that. And then you just click it open right here, just hit that open, and then voila. So it should come with 3 bristles, but like I told you guys, I used it. I wanted to try it, wash it, because this is the one I'll be using. So this is the color I chose. Like I told you guys, I think it comes in like 2 other colors or 1 more, but this is more like a subtle gray. This is the button right here. And yeah, so without further ado, oh, for the batteries, what you do is you just twist a little bit. Okay, so you just want to pull, but be careful. And I'm going to take out these batteries. I had batteries in them already, but they weren't working how I liked. So we got some new batteries going for you. Well, for me. And then you're just going to push down. Okay, so you press it once, that's for the low speed. And then 1 more, and that's full speed, and then off. Okay, so basically, like I said, I explained that to you. I'm gonna wash my face really quick and show you guys how it foams up, just so you have an idea. So I'm gonna wet my face a little bit, and I like this. Like I said, I don't know if I guys told you, but when I was doing my video, and I'll put it here, it was really rough, and I didn't want to bring it to you guys like that because I wanted to bring a video that, like I said, I can appreciate and would tell you in details and not be rushed. That it helped clear up my skin. Mine broke, but with all products you have a year warranty. I didn't realize that. I forgot that, and by the time I threw everything away, it was too late. But I'm happy that I ordered another one, because when I got it, it was like just when Vanity Planet was taking off and no one really knew too much about them. So now they have like a whole new look, which is more aesthetically pleasing to me. So I think my face is wet enough. And you can use it in the shower, so don't be scared. And I like to just wet this a little bit And then I'm gonna put it on full speed.
Basically, I sped this part up, but I'm really gonna make it do what it's supposed to do. It didn't really foam up that much, and that's because of my facial soap, so don't worry about that part. But I really pay attention to hyperpigmentation and where pimples may be coming. So yeah, I'm gonna give that a good rub and then give you my final thoughts.
Okay, so I wanted to wash my face and come back to you guys and not look crazy. So basically, I want to just give you guys a quick rundown. Like I said, I like that. I feel like it's getting in my skin. It's taking off my makeup. I know your hands are good, but I feel like just for me, getting that deep clean, if you have, you know, bigger pores, it's that time of the month, it just gets down in there and it feels like you're giving yourself a spa treatment. So I'm all for, like, you know, looks and how it feels and all that. And so it looks beautiful. It's compact, so you can just literally take it on the go with you. You don't have to, I don't know, I just like it. I love it. You can take it on the go with you. It has the filters, so when you open it, it's not stinky or anything like that. You can always wash it out. They made it as friendly, as easy as possible, and it's one of my go-tos for beauty. So that is I believe it's called Radia. This is my review on it. 5 stars. I can't remember the price point. I think I paid $54 for it. But they usually have like 30% off on Vanity Planet, so go ahead and check that out. And yeah, let's get into the facial steam. Okay guys, so like I said, I tried everything yesterday and I will show you little videos here. And I love the steamer. This is what it comes in. It comes in a brown box, but then another box on top of that. And it basically tells you that it includes the facial steamer and 3 essential oil baskets. It lets you know that it detoxifies your skin, clarifies and hydrates skin complexion, and it's great for all skin types, which is really good to know. I believe this comes in 2 colors, or the color I got in like a rose gold type of color. So I think that's all the colors it comes in, is just pretty neutral. And yeah, a lot of us don't like to read the manual, myself included. When I get things, I'm like, I'm gonna figure it out. You kind of roll up your sleeves and you get to it. But I will let you guys know, please read the manual that it comes with. But if you're watching this video, you won't have to, because I'm gonna tell you everything. I like to wear like jerseys or, you know, shirts to capture all my hair grease or whatever. Yeah, let me focus. But basically with this, you have to use, this is the steamer, the star. You have to use distilled water, because if you don't, it is going to clog up your steamer, and then in about 6 months to a year, it's not going to work, and you're going to wonder why. Like, why isn't this working? It's working for everyone else, or it should work, because you need to use distilled water. Do not use tap water or anything else. They're telling you what to use. It does come with like a little tie for the plug that you could reuse or not. I reused it. This is where you're going to put the water back here, and then this is the power button right here, and it turns blue when you turn it on. And then the 3 essential baskets that they give you are right here. So I don't know if you guys can see it well, but the deeper it is in depth is like the higher the steam is supposed to sprout up, or wider. So they said, do not try to put any essential oils into the tank. If you want to have any essential oils like lavender or orange, whatever scent chamomile you're going for, you can pretty much just put it on here or dip it. And then once you say you have lavender, you dip it, you can put it on there, and you should still get that same you know, essential oil feel. But do not try to put it in here. Next, how do you open this thing? Where do you put the water? So it pops up. Okay, so like that. You're not going to put the water in here. You're going to put it in here. Okay, so they have min line for minimum and max for maximum. And the minimum is, hopefully you guys can see it. So basically it's right here, the min, max. And min is going to get you about 15 minutes worth of a facial steam, which is pretty, that's good enough. I don't think you need more than that. For me, that's good enough for me. So I need to get some water and put it in here. So basically you're going to unscrew it, and then we're going to screw it back. So let me get some water, and I will be right back and show you how to put this bad boy in. Okay, so everything's filled up, and make sure there's no leak. So then we're gonna put it like this and push it back in, and it's that easy. Now I'm going to take my bowl. I'm going to show you guys how I do this part. So pretty much you can get it from Amazon, and I think the company is Etana Beauty Simplified. So it comes in this bag, and then you have a cute little bowl, and it has all the tools you need, because you know when you use the clay mask you can't use it in any metal containers or anything like that. And I'm down to my last little pushy of it. So that's what it looks like. I'm not doing too much because I did some yesterday. And just apply it. And like I said, I like to get it medium to where it's thick and thin. You don't want it too watery of a consistency. I would put this on first because it doesn't take long to steam up. It takes like a minute. So when you're halfway through, that's when I would put that bad boy on. You just press this button and it turns, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it turns blue. It gets blue. Bam. That's really cute. All right, y'all, so there it goes. It's starting to do its thing. And it comes out a lot. That's good, actually. Well, I forgot to put the thing in it. I do that. Alright. I forgot to put it in there. Like, girl, let's get it together. Okay. So, you want to be 25 centimeters away. And you really don't have to do much. It comes to you. So, you can take your time, listen to some music, have your speakerphone rolling, and just let it go. I realized to put on this mask, because this mask gets hard on its own. But I realized doing this from another YouTuber, and I'll put her name below. She's amazing. She does everything like holistic, and you know, you guys know her. When you see her name, you'll be like, oh girl. Yeah, she's bomb. And when I seen her do this, I was like, I'm getting a facial steamer. Years later, right? And it just feels good. It's relaxing while we're in quarantine, and a lot of us, you know, just choose to stay inside. You're like your own esthetician.
I said before, I did do this facial mask before, so I'm just going to insert some clips of what it looks like yesterday, because I actually like how the steamer was working yesterday, and I just wanted to show you that and give you, like, you know, the real deal look. As you can see, it's pumping out, it's doing what it's supposed to do. I love it. Best investment I've made so far during quarantine.
Okay, so I hope you guys like the steamer part. Now for the face part, and I washed everything off. I use a paper towel because just for me it's cleaner, and I throw it away. Then I use a cotton pad, and I'm using my OleHenriksen. It is the dark spot toner, and I use it in the night only because it has AHA in it, which is a chemical that basically doesn't react well with the sun. So if you do use it in the morning, you would have to use a lot of sunscreen and try to avoid the sun. So it's just better to use it at night. So I get my dark marks. You can tone all over, but I really focus like where I might have, I don't know if you guys can see it, dark spots. Yeah, from picking. I'm a picker. Like if I see pimples, I'm like, ah, attack. And then after, I just rub all over just to make sure my skin is clean, which it is. If it's not, go back in, sis. So that's a clean pad. Usually I have like a little fan and I let everything just soak in, but I don't have that. I don't want to do that tonight. Then I'm gonna put some Bliss Stick on my lips. Cover all areas. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Belif Aqua Balm, and I'm going to put some vitamin E oil, not too much, but enough. And I like to look like a glazed donut in the nighttime. And this is the time where you can just be selfish and give yourself a nice massage going up because the blood is gonna flow and that's what we want, and it feels good. I'm closing my eyes like hello, I'm doing a YouTube video. Like getting relaxed. So we don't want any wrinkles, even though we all know black don't crack. And my smile lines are like huge, so I like tend to like go this way and try to get them to go into my cheeks, like go away. And I come down to my neck, because when you get older, your neck should look the same age as your face. Say louder for the people in the back. And then I'm going to take some more oil. It's my recovery night oil. I'm going to take a little bit more of my moisturizer and just make sure I'm glazed. And I forgot to put on my eye cream, and I know that comes first before my moisturizer, but they're all going the same place and doing the same job, so I'm just going to go back over. This is my avocado eye cream, and a little goes a long way. I forgot that part. And I just take my time and blend in, and I come around my eye as well. And I've seen it on a Vogue, like I watch a lot of Vogue makeovers, and I was like, oh, I don't have to just do my under eye. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let that sit and do what it's gonna do for the night, because I've been editing videos and like perfecting my craft, and I stay up late at night, so I want to look like I caught sleep. So that's it, guys. That's it. I might put some castor oil on my edges, just because I tend to lay it a lot with edge control, and we want these babies to look good. But other than that, y'all, I hope you liked my video. I hope you liked my 2 products review that I brought to you guys. Pause. Make sure you like and comment. Sis, I know you watched. If you got to this part of the video and you didn't like, subscribe. Like, what are you doing, girl? You don't like me that much? So go ahead and, I don't know, do yourself a favor and subscribe so you know about all this going down. So yeah, I don't have any more to say. I don't want to ramble. It's time for me to go to sleepy. I hope you liked everything, and I'll list all the products I use below.